In this video, you are gonna see the biggest tutorial on the internet. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to do a smooth transition like this and how to make interesting text and how to get next level quality on your edits. Let's start! Go to Capcut, tap on New Edit. Your clips has to be ready and on beat. We are going to add two keyframes, one at the start and one at the end of every clip, and we are going to lower the contrast to 50 on the last keyframe of every clip. And we are going to do this to every clip. And now we are adding a widescreen overlay on top of our clips. We are making it bigger to cover the whole screen. And now copy the white overlay on top of every clip. And now splice, and we're choosing this. We have to do it to all of our overlays. And now we are choosing animation on the white overlay and then out, and we are choosing fade out with full time. We are doing the same to all of our white overlays. We are choosing animation for the main clips for the beginning of the clip, and we are choosing this one, and the duration for that has to be between 0.1 and 0.2. And now effect, then video effect, and we are searching oblique blur, and we are making it as small as possible, and blur has to be 100 and the other one 50, and we are copying it for the next clip. And now we are making it bigger, and the blur has to be 80 and the other one again 50. We are making it bigger again, and now we choose 60 and 50 again. We are making a little bit bigger, and now 40 and 50. And we finish with a transition, and now we are going to do the text edit. Now we export it and we add to a new edit. Now we are adding the lyrics of our song. And for the text, I am choosing Rubik. You can choose also sequel, or you can choose poppings, but this time I want to choose Rubik. And we are going to style, and then you can play between those settings. And now we are going to animation, but for text, and I want you to choose an in animation type 2 and an out animation, and it will be type 2 again. And now we are moving the clip down and we export it again. And now we are adding our previous video as an overlay. And now we are going to splice, and then we are choosing this. Now you crop the overlay because you have to have only the part with the letters, and you go to animation, and then you can choose the animation you like for the text. So now the edit is ready, so we have to fix the quality now, and we export it. Now we are going in this app, Time Cut, and we are choosing this setting, and we are choosing our video. And now our edit is ready with amazing quality. Thank you for watching. Bye!
下面的杆子1 2 3，每个